This vid is for the people that know Blender. If you need more help, please put something in the comments. So first I went to the Nifty Island Create tab on their website. I forgot to log in, so here's this. Shout out to Wallet Guard. That was AI script. Is this sponsored? No. Should it be? As a matter of fact, after logging in and being in the Create tab, you can scroll down and see the templates and guidelines button. Click that and it will direct you to a page with all the resources you need. I also put it in the description below, so there's that. Love you. There you can find the drone skin section on the left side, and then they have all the dimensions and all the nerdy stuff you need. Down here is the FBX file for the drone example. Snag that and open up Blender. All right, here in Blender, I'm gonna import that FBX file. This is the drone that's in game. Here you can see all the different elements that make up the drone. Each little piece you can see has been listed on the top right. And if you click these little arrows, you'll see the different labels. Now we're gonna import one of my Vipes, number 1051, She Cutie. First, we're gonna unparent the skeleton from everything, and then delete, and then we're gonna get rid of everything but her head. Her head is gonna be the drone. Now just get rid of the stuff we don't need, body, eye parts. I do want the drone eyes to be her eyes, so we're gonna use another shell to use as a reference to try and guesstimate where the eyes might be. And then also deleting all of the extra little drone bits. Now just basic movements to get it in good place. Alright, now we're going to clean up the Blender file, get rid of anything you don't need. Label the head shell. This is for this specific example. If you're doing wings or a horn or whatever, you're going to make sure those assets are labeled the same thing in the top right section. I'll show you another example at the end of the video. Since the Vipe heroes are fully optimized, shout out to them, I had to delete all of the shape keys and vector paths in the model. You'll see me doing this on the bottom right side, so they don't conflict with the drone setup and all the labels and stuff. If you labeled and weight painted everything correctly, your drone will automatically be sectioned off by the objects. So that girl didn't export rights, and I want to get this vid out, so here's an example of what a good and ready to drone looks like, with the proper names and all the textures, one image, all good to go. And then here he is in game, same process, same headaches, all the fun. If you have any other suggestions or have any questions, please leave the comments down below, let me know, and if you made it this far, just like the video. Come on, you know, why not? You know. Love you. I'll see you later. And I can't wait to see what y'all create.